This is for Year 12 Methods. It comes out of Kilbaha 2019 practice exam 2, question 2F. So we're still in question 2 concerning our guitar, but we're now talking about the strings on the guitar. So it's got nothing to do with the dimensions of the guitar. And it vibrates. So if we have, say, one string, it can vibrate between this position and this position, and it oscillates between these positions. And as it oscillates, it vibrates with the air and rebounds inside the guitar and makes a noise. Okay, so we know that the distance in meters at time t of a particular string is given by this. So if this equals 0, then it's going to be here in dead middle, hasn't moved. If it's been plucked and the distance from the equilibrium point is x, so the string is plucked at an initial speed of 400 meters per second and is initially 1 centimeter, so that's 1/100th of a meter, because it's 100 centimeters in a meter, below the equilibrium point. So I know that at the start, the distance there is 1 centimeter. So from that I know that x of 0 equals 1 on 100, which means I've got r, e to the 0, cos to the 0. Cos of the 0 is 1, e to the 0 is 1, r equals 100. So I've already got the r value. The string vibrates at a frequency of 250 hertz. The frequency is the reciprocal of the period. Okay, so if the frequency equals 250, the frequency is the reciprocal of that, so 1 in 250. So that's what the frequency is, 1 in 250. Which means the period equals 1 in 250, which means that 2 pi on top of m pi equals 1 on 250. 2 pi the pi's cancel. So m on 2 equals 250, m equals 500. And I've defined it as f of x. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to take the derivative. I've also, by the way, used x instead of t. So if I take the derivative of this with respect to x, make it equal to 400, and I go xe, then I take that answer and I make x equals 0, because it's times 0, and I get, what am I looking for? I know what Rk is. K is going to be 400 divided by R. So K is going to be 400 divided by R. And R was equal to, well, up top is somewhere 1 on 100. Therefore, K is equal to 4 with 4 zeros. Okay, let's just double check all this stuff. I'm thinking that R is 1 on 100 because at the time 0, x is, what time is the distance measured in meters, initially was, below. Okay, since it's below, it's down there, therefore x is -1, therefore R is going to be negative, which means when I find my K, that's going to be negative, which means K is going to be negative 40,000. R is going to be negative 1 on 100, M is going to be 500.